Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today, in this training video, I will tell you about Setup of Scan App. Objective. The objective of this training is to understand following: how to set up Scan App in the user system, which permissions are required to be provided to the user during the setup of Scan App. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have the Scan App set up as provided by Onfinity, and there are some additional requirements to run the Scan App includes a valid login user credentials with DMS form access. User should create at least one folder in DMS in which he intends to upload document using Scan App. Scan App, Scan Application Tool, helps the user to scan the documents and directly upload the images into DMS. Apart from that, system supports other features also like upload document from local system, crop, rotate, save the file in JPG and PDF format. After getting the Scan App set up from Onfinity, the user needs to install the Scan App on their system and grant the necessary permissions. Grant permissions for Scan App. To access the Scan App, the user must provide the necessary permissions to both the Vienna Scan App folder and the Google folder. These are the steps that the user must follow for providing the permission to Vienna Scan App folder. 1. Go to Windows C Drive. Program Files, x86, Vienna Scan App. 2. Right-click on Vienna Scan App folder and select Properties. 3. In the Properties window, go to Security tab. 4. Under the Group Names section, select each of the following one by one. First User, next Administrator, next Network Service. 5. Click the Edit button. 6. In the Permission window, provide full control for each selected group. 7. Click OK to apply the changes, then click OK again to close the Properties window. In the same way, the user repeats the same steps to provide access to the Google folder. Let's go through these steps one by one through training video. To begin the setup, the user needs to locate the Scan App zip file provided by Onfinity. Right-click on it and extract its contents. After extracting file, locate the setup.exe application file. To install the application, right-click on the file and select the Run as Administrator option, then need to complete the installation to proceed. After providing the confirmation, the application is successfully installed on the user system. Once done, then close the pop-up by clicking on Close button. To verify the installation, navigate to the drive where you have installed the application, e.g., Windows C, Drive, open the Program Files, x86 folder, and there you will find a folder named Vienna Scan App, which is automatically created after the installation process. To grant the permissions for accessing the Scan App, the user needs to right-click on the Vienna Scan App folder and click on Properties, then navigate to the Security tab. The user gives the full permissions by clicking on Edit button. By default, Administrator is having full control. The user also needs to provide the full control to the Users group by selecting it and click on Apply button. The user also adds network services by clicking on Add button. Enter network service, then click OK. Now, the network service group will appear in the group's name. Select Network Service and provide full control access by checking the appropriate box. Click on Apply button, then click OK to close the pop-up. Again, close the pop-up by selecting OK. Now, the user follows the same steps to provide the permission to the Google folder. The user selects the Google folder, right-click on it, and click on Properties, then navigate to the Security tab. The user gives the full permissions by clicking on Edit button. By default, Administrator is having full control. The user also needs to provide the full control to the Users group by selecting it and click on Apply button. The user also adds network services by clicking on Add button. Enter network service, then click OK. Now, the network service group will appear in the group's name. Select network service and provide full control access by checking the appropriate box. Click on Apply button, then click OK to close the pop-up. Again, close the pop-up by selecting OK. By providing these permissions, the Scan App has been successfully installed and configured on the user system. Now, the user can use the Scan App. Thank you.